What's up? This is Theo here, and welcome to Lesson 1 here on Free Code Camp. Responsive Web Design Certification. We are now under the Introduction to the Applied Accessibility Challenges. So you can go ahead and read this. I'm not going to read all of this, but basically these are the three principles that we're going to learn about. Number one is have well-organized code that uses appropriate markup. Two is ensure text alternatives exist for non-text and visual content. And three is create an easily navigated page. It's keyboard friendly. So having accessible web content is an ongoing challenge. A great resource for your project going forward is the W3 Consortium's Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG. They set the international standard for accessibility and provide a number of criteria that you can use to check your work. So let's go ahead and go to the first lesson. So this first one is add a text alternative images for visually impaired accessibility. So if you ever wondered, right, on a screen reader, right, how someone determines what an image is, we can add an alt text, which is basically just to show, for one, if the image isn't there, and also to give some description of it. Excuse me. And it should not be empty. We'll just say some image, right? And we'll run that. Good to go. All right. Know when an alt text should be left blank, so you can sort of read about this, but for images with a caption, you still want to include alt text since it helps search engines catalog the content of the image. So Camper Cat coded a skeleton page for the blog part of his website. He's planning to add a visual break between his two articles with a decorative image of a samurai sword. Add an alt text attribute to the image tag instead of to an empty string. Okay, so that's what we'll do. Note that the image source doesn't link to an actual file. So if you actually notice, though, that seemed like it actually did give it some. It took away the image and just left the alt. Cool. Use headings to show hierarchical relationships of content. So this goes back to more semantics. If you have a bunch of H1s on the screen, it's going to be less meaningful. So change all the H5 tags to the proper heading level to indicate their subsections of the H2. Okay, so we want to change these to be H3, right? H3. It's probably better to do this, but for now we'll just do this. H3, H3, I should do a find and replace here. Okay, so clean that up. And code should have 6 H3 tags. What am I missing? Code should only have 6 H3 tags. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What did I do now? Oh, sorry. So, yeah, these actually need to go to H3. Not everyone, just ones underneath the H2. So we'll take this H3, 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 H3. That should do it. Good to go. Alright, so jump straight to the content using the main element, or semantics. So help him set up his markup by adding opening and closing main tags between the header and footer. So, I'm just going to write this main tag and put this right here. And good to go. And let me just confirm real quick. So yeah, last one is wrap content in the article element. So article is another one of the new HTML5 elements that adds semantic meaning to your markup. Article is a sectioning element used to wrap independent, self-contained element. Text works well with blog entries, forum posts, or new articles. So here's a note about section div, section element is also new to the HTML5, has different semantic meaning. Articles for standalone content, and section is for grouping thematically related content. Okay. Camper Cat used article tags throughout the post on his blog page, but he forgot to use them around the top one. Change the div tag to use an article tag instead. Okay, so we're going to change this and put an article tag. And again, you notice there's no real changes. This is more semantics. Cool. So that's it, guys, for lesson 1. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to look in the description box for the courses that I recommend on React. I do get a cut, but again, if you're interested, really great courses, help you out a lot. And I will see you guys in lesson 2. Take care.